In this video, I'm going to show you how you can receive Alpha token in your Trust Wallet. Now, the first thing you need to do will be to log into your Trust Wallet app, and once you're in the home screen, you navigate to the crypto session to see if you can find your Alpha token. If you cannot find Alpha token over there, it's not a problem. I'm going to show you what you need to do. You navigate to the top right corner of your screen where you can find the plus button, and you click on that, and in the search button, you add Alpha. So once you click on Alpha, you should be able to see Alpha token. So you click on Alpha token, and after you have done that, you go back to the front page and you refresh the page. Right now, we will be able to see Alpha token. You click on Alpha token, and then in the options of send, receive, and swap, you click on receive. Once you click on receive, you'll be able to see the QR code and also your wallet address. What you want to do will be to copy this wallet address and then paste it in the exchange you intend to use to send Alpha token to your Trust Wallet app. I hope this video is helpful. Follow for more.